Hi, I'm Vanita. Being a business teacher for my year 11 students, I think this is a wonderful opportunity for them to learn about how to handle their finances. I'm so happy that KFI Global has taken this initiative to give these sessions to these young students on how to manage their finances, on financial literacy. And it's really been a good 2-day session. Students were really happy and they were so engaged. They learned so much. Even at a young age, they are able to understand how important it is to handle their finances, even though it might be limited in terms of just allowances now. But it's important for them to learn how to handle small amounts of money now, so that at a later time, they'll be able to manage their finances in a better way. The instructor, Ms. Dana, has done a wonderful job. She kept the students engaged very well, and it was a wonderful interactive session. So thank you so much.
Hey, my name is Chloe, and I would recommend the money management course to anyone who is interested, as it teaches you things that I had not previously known about. And I was really interested since I got to learn about more of personal things that not many people talk about, like managing your finance, budgeting, and the reticular activation system.
I really enjoyed the program, and I learned a lot, from budgeting to emergency funds, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to be using it in my entire life.
I really enjoyed this course. It taught me a lot about how to properly manage my finances and debunked a lot of myths related to money. I highly recommend.
It was a really interactive course, and we enjoyed it, and we did a lot of team activities, and one of them we made George.
My name is Mazen. This KFI Global course really helped me because in school they don't really teach us about how to handle our financial literacy and how to help us with credit cards and loans. So thank you Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring this video.